Well, hello everyone, and here I am with another uh, bionicle summer set review, and this time it is on Skull Basher and Skull Scorpio. And first off are the boxes. You see the Lego logo, bionicle logo, and mask creation, and see the set that it comes within with the masks and their names. And both and Skull Basher is 7 through 14. And Skull Scorpio is 8 through 14. And set numbers are 70793 Basher and 70794 Scorpio. And Basher has 72 pieces and Scorpio has 107 pieces. And on the backs, you see them another pose showing what they do and the features of the set, the comic strips, and the picture of the actual size of the mask, and then the combiner models that they make, like how Skull Basher does with Skull Slicer and Warrior, which will be in another video. And then how Skull Scorpio does with Mask Maker versus Skull Grinder, also another video. So that's about it with the boxing. And on to the booklets. So on the front of the booklets, you see the same exact picture as from the front of the boxes and everything. I'm probably just going to do one. So you see the comic strip again, how to build it. But on the back, you see how to win Lego products on an online survey with Lloyd on it. And then ad for all the summer sets. Then ad for the combiners again. And then the pieces that come with the set. And oh, and Skull Scorpio is a little different. That has the Lego Club thing and Skull Grinder and Kimu and Tahu fighting. And then the summer sets together and the combination model that they all make, or that he makes with Skull Grinder and Mask Maker, and the pieces that come with the set. Yeah. So now to the sets themselves. So for Skull Basher here is that, so the mask he comes with is the Onua mask, but in Lakers colors of clear purple and gold. Kind of cool then. At least the purple does fit, go in pretty well. So how it looks like on the actual Onua figure here. See, it does go pretty well, like with the gold and the purple right in there. But as some say, the gold gets out of the color scheme, but I'm getting off topic. So for Skull Basher here is, so from the ground up again is, has the same feet as Onua, the Crystal Beast, Jaw Beast feet, and then the armor add-on pieces that they all have, where it looks like decaying fur and whatnot, and the new bone pieces that look like actual bones in them, and the friction pieces on them, and the has connecting to the silver body piece, and has the new rib cage torso piece, but in purple or translucent purple, which is very cool. And then the new chest plate piece, which has a long chain on it and a few pistons, wires, and whatnot in it. Let's see how I can get that back on. Well, sometimes it can be a little hard. So you wonder how he gets the name. So mainly in these new axe pieces, which are actually looking kind of cool. But some say that this middle part might break easily, so might want to watch out for that. But then the arms also have the translucent purple pieces that Onua also had. And then the shoulders have the armored pieces with purple spikes. And so now, instead of a gearbox like the other sets do, is he has so it's like thing where you press this button and it makes his arms swish forward. Probably giving him his name Skull Basher. But also what you can do is swish it back and forth, enabling him to kick the Nui Jock in their balls. Since Nui Jaka was the first Generation 1 purple set, and he's the Generation 2 purple set. Yeah, whatever. And then for his head is probably the most convincing part. Very Minotaur-like is. So for these purple horn pieces, they're the Ben 10 tail pieces, but they are also. But you can press the bracestock piece and the helmet comes off, or mask comes off. But you can also use the horns as well, but that's a bit of a problem. Every time you do that, it'll knock the mask off. So for the mask itself, it is very hockey-like and, or mainly kind of bull-like and, or skull bull-like, as you can see with those things again, like Skull Warriors ones. And so his color scheme is mainly clear purple, silver, and a bit of black and trans orange. Alright, good color scheme. Enough to really withstand the first Cane Raw Bull. Yeah. Yeah, you get it. And that's about it for him. Now to the other one, Skull Scorpio. So for the mask he has, which is actually Pohatu's golden mask with some clear yellow on it. And how it looks like on the actual Pohatu figure from earlier. You see, it does kind of go well with the yellow on some of them. Yeah. And so for quick size comparison is, or with Skull Basher, about the same size, and for Scorpio here, he's way shorter. And so he actually has the Hero Factory Queen Bee's wing pieces, or ribcage pieces, but for the legs, but in black now, which is quite cool. And how they're attached is through some Technic stuff, and same with the tail. And how the arms are built on is also in the same way, with the Hordika head pieces and the armor thingy. And what's used for the chest plate is also on there, but in clear yellow now. And on the sides are that with 3 of these spike pieces there, and the bone pieces are for that, and the small limb pieces in clear yellow, which is a good choice. And then the same exact blade piece from the last Hero Factory series with the other claw pieces as well. But I wonder why there's 2 of it when there should be 1. But as you notice, same exact mask as Skull Basher does. But at San Diego Comic-Con, they gave out this same exact mask, but in this color, the clear yellow color. But if you gotten it and got him, it would work out quite good for him. Might look good on him. But so the main feature is the scorpion tail, where press it and it can slash forward. Might have a chance of grabbing masks, which I forgot to mention in my other review. Let's see. If you want to have ankle good, you just gotta make some adjustments, you know. So for and the axe pieces have are the same exact as Skull Bashers, but in the opposite direction. So for my overall opinions about these sets is for Skull Warrior or Skull Basher here, he's lives up to the name and good color scheme and everything. And Skull Scorpio, same exact stuff, but cool feature, and yeah. And that concludes this review, and stay tuned for my Mask Maker versus Skull Grinder review, and it would be my last one, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.